Welcome to Brand with Syed. Step into a world where digital marketing prowess meets creativity and innovation. The introduction to this channel showcases a blend of minimalistic luxury with warm beige and dark brown hues, crafting a visually appealing atmosphere that resonates with professionalism and sophistication. Here, we aim to make digital marketing accessible and engaging for everyone. In this 1-minute cinematic introduction, you will discover an environment reflecting a modern office workspace filled with essential tools like laptops, smartphones, and vibrant marketing dashboards. Images of creative desk setups and engaging social media elements come together to create a compelling visual narrative. Each scene transitions smoothly, supported by inspiring corporate music that sets a motivational tone throughout the video. Your journey alongside Syed Shahnewaz, a digital marketing specialist, promises to be enriching as he brings you diverse content from social media marketing and branding strategies to real-life experiences and productivity hacks. With practical online business tips and step-by-step tutorials, this channel is perfect for students, freelancers, entrepreneurs, and business owners alike. By subscribing to Brand with Syed, you take a step towards mastering valuable digital skills, paving the way for your ongoing growth and success in the ever-evolving digital landscape. So get ready to learn, explore, and grow with us. Let's embark on this exciting journey together to thrive in the digital era.